Have you ever been stuck in a difficult situation wherein all the possible options you have are all against you? Life often puts us in such a tricky situation. What would you do in such a situation where nothing is in your favor? Watch this video till the end to learn how to get out of a difficult situation. Also, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more inspiring videos. So let's get started. In a small village, a farmer owed a large sum of money to a moneylender. The moneylender was a very old, cunning, wicked-looking guy. He had an eye for the farmer's beautiful daughter. He decided to offer the farmer a deal that would wipe out the entire debt. However, the catch was that he would only wipe out the debt if he would marry his farmer's daughter. Needless to say, this proposal was met with a look of disgust. The moneylender said that he would place 2 pebbles in a bag, one white and one black. The daughter would then have to reach out to the bag and pick out a pebble. If it was black, then the debt would be wiped out and the moneylender would marry her. But if the pebble was white, then the debt was wiped out, but he wouldn't have to marry the farmer's daughter. Standing on a pebble-strewn path, the moneylender bent over and picked out 2 pebbles. While he was picking them up, the daughter noticed that he had purposely picked up 2 black pebbles and placed them into the bag. With a smirk on his face, he asked the daughter to reach out into the bag and pick 1 pebble out. The daughter naturally had 3 choices as to what she could have done right now. 1. Refuse to pick up a pebble from the bag. 2. Take out both the pebbles out of the bag and expose the moneylender for his cheating. 3rd, pick up a pebble from the bag knowing that it was black and sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. Between all of this, she smartly used her presence of mind. She drew out a pebble from the bag and before looking at it, accidentally dropped it amongst all other pebbles on the ground. She said to the moneylender, "Oops, how clumsy of me. Never mind, if you look into the bag for the other one that is left and you will be able to tell which pebble I picked." The pebble left in the bag was obviously the black pebble. As the moneylender didn't want to be exposed in front of everyone, he had to play along and act as if the pebble that the daughter picked and then dropped was white. And thus he had to clear her father's debt. It's possible for us to overcome a tough situation using our presence of mind. There comes a point in life where your logic doesn't matter, where your analysis fails. And what remains is that inner voice which can see beyond the 3 options that you had. Trust that voice. It somehow knows what's best for you. Life is a BCD journey where B is birth, D is death, and in between is a choice. Remember, first you make a choice, then that choice makes you. So listen to that inner voice and don't just give in to the only options you think you have in front of you. Trust your inner self. If you have learned from this video, then please like, share and subscribe to abhayvalsangkar. Do share your learnings in the comments below and keep watching more videos on this channel for your daily source of inspiration. Thank you.